Welcome to the review of Transformers Cyberverse Knockout. This is the Legends class. As you can see, here is Knockout and he is outwardly painted as orange. Well, my first thoughts on this color scheme is basically he should be a red color, which comes with if you buy the drill, it comes with a red Knockout. The only difference is he doesn't have the if you see beside the vehicle, he doesn't have the flames on each doors, and it's obviously red in color, and and the rest is actually the same, but you can only get the Knockout, the red Knockout, with the Decepticon driller. Alright, and here you have his weapon, the MagTech ports, 1, 2, 3 ports. You can put the weapon either on the left hand side or right hand side of the doors, even the top part of it as well. And this weapon is similar to Bumblebee's. Alright, basically you have a Decepticon logo here in front of the vehicle mode. You have some painted gray headlights. This front portion is a bit painted, however the back portion here is not painted black at all. Alright, and for Knockout, he comes with just a blaster, where the other Knockout comes with a medical blade and his staff. Okay, in order to transform him, basically pop out the hand. The same goes for the other one. Drag out the legs, unpack it, push this forward, push this all the way to the back, move this up, and you see his head. Move this this part up here to secure the hands. The same goes for the other side. And here you have Knockout in his robot mode. Articulation wise, his head doesn't move at all. His hands is on the ball joint, moves this way, in and out. Not much articulation on the thigh as well, just the knee. Sorry, no articulation on the knee either, sorry about that. Just on the feet, swivels. And it's on the ball joint as well. And basically this is Knockout in his robot mode. Not much things to say about this figure. However, you can add some paint on his feet, black, and the back of the mirror, black as well. It will actually improve the figure, but in order to get the other Knockout, you have to get the driller. And here on flat Knockout, I'll put the weapon here, and this is basically the Cyberverse Knockout, which is orange in color. And that's it. Thank you for watching.